how to avoid paying capital gain tax when you sell your house. So in Georgia, capital gain tax generally applies to when you sell a real estate for a profit.
Well, that's the goal, right? You want to make sure that you
Yes.
hopefully have made some profit when you sold your house.
Yes. So capital gains are basically the difference between your purchase price when you bought the house and your sales price when you sell it, when you sell the property, and whatever that gap is, you would get taxed on.
So as a realtor, we do advocate, we consistently advocate to make sure that you capital gains tax. You get an allowance that you're not taxed on it, because this is one of the biggest things that as a realtor that we can lobby for. So one of the things we lobby is with the IRS, you can exclude up to $250,000 of the gains, or $500,000 if you're married, which would be fantastic for our clients.
Yes.
But provided that this was your primary residence. So this doesn't apply to investment properties, but you had to buy this as your primary residence.
Yeah, so that's one way to, there are many ways to avoid capital gains, but that's the most common and easiest way, is that you live in the property for at least 2 years and occupy that property for at least 2 years since you purchased the property.
Yeah, so we just came back from a closing today, and he bought it for, and I will do another series with the numbers, but he bought it for about 230 or something, and today we sold it for 550. So pretty good investment. He was within the threshold guidelines of not paying the capital gains.
Yeah.
So it worked out very well for him. So then we'll talk to you about that kind of stuff too.
Yeah.
And especially from out of state and stuff like that, or internationally, you're subject to more for laws, but make it simple. If it's your property, you lived in it. Hopefully you haven't. Hopefully you make more than $250,000 or $500,000. But if you haven't, then you're not going to be taxed on that gain. So
Yeah, so talk to your accountant or talk to us if you have any questions.
all right, bye
Cheers.
guys. Cheers.